Here's your 44 Kewanee running gear, wide track gear. Got a 6x10 bed. Got your Westfield auger on it. It's a fold-up auger. It's a 6-inch auger. It folds right here. It's manual fold. It's got your hydraulic motor on the end of it here, and it's two-way. It's got 2 hydraulic hoses. This folds here, and it's also got your poly on the end of this right here. It's got some non-factory weld on the tongue, but it should be a pretty good outfit. The bed looks good. We crawl up here and you can video the inside of that bed.